Hello everyone, I'm Sneepa. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great and staying safe at home. In today's video, I am gonna be reviewing a L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens entire range that comprises of this shampoo and this conditioner and this no haircut cream. So L'Oreal have recently launched these products in India, and these products are available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, or any local store. And this 1000 ml bottle of shampoo retails at around 849 rupees, and this 192.5 ml conditioner retails at 209 rupees, and this no haircut cream retails at 499 rupees. This is of 200 ml. And if you're planning to buy it from Nykaa or Amazon or Flipkart, you will definitely get it at a discounted price. So I have decided to divide this video into two parts. In the initial part, I am gonna be giving a brief about these products, and in the second part, I am gonna share my personal experience using these products. So let's jump in. Okay, so firstly, talking about the packaging of these products comes in a plastic bottle, and the 1000 ml shampoo, only the 1000 ml shampoo comes with a pump on the top, and the other bottles are the normal bottles. And they have really played with nice colors. They have a great combination of colors, which is orange and pink. This really looks nice, and this is definitely eye-catching. Okay, so now coming to the ingredients that they have used. So I'm not going to mention all the ingredients that they have used, but I am definitely going to talk about the three main ingredients that they have put into all these products. So the first is castor oil. So castor oil helps in lubricating your hair shaft. It decreases the chance of breakage. It fights dandruff problems, and it actually betters your scalp condition. The second main ingredient is vitamin PP and B3. So this vitamins helps in faster growth of your hair. And the last main ingredient is vegetal keratin. So vegetal keratin strengthens your hair, and increases the elasticity, and also gives much more shine to your hair and makes your hair look much more healthy. So guys, one disclaimer, this products like the shampoo and the conditioner is not sulfate and paraben free. Only the no haircut cream is sulfate and paraben free. Okay, so now let's see what this products claim. So this shampoo claims that it will reconstitute your hair to the tips, it will leave your hair stronger, it will nourish, give shine to your hair, and help to keep it long. So it actually tries to say that it will help solve your split end problem, so that you don't end up trimming the last 3 centimeters of your hair. And now let's see what this conditioner has to claim. So it claims that it will help detangling your hair, and this no haircut cream claims that it will protect your hair from its two main enemies, breakage and split ends. And you can use this haircut cream as a heat protectant before drying or straightening, as it offers heat protection up to 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now coming to the application of this product. So the shampoo and the conditioner's application is quite similar to the normal shampoos that we use and conditioners that we use, but this no haircut cream, so you can apply this cream on your damp or wet hair from the lens to the tip of your hair, and you have to leave it as usual. So you do not have to take a shower after you apply this cream. Okay, so now coming to the second part of the video, where I'm going to be sharing my personal experience with these products. So let me tell you, my hair type is dry and rough, and I do have a chemically treated hair. That is, my hair is colored, and I suffer from one particular hair problem, that is hair fall problem. And no matter whichever shampoo, conditioner and serum I use, starting from the drugstore brands to the high-end brands, my hair tend to fall. And hence I was very skeptical in trying out this L'Oreal's Dream Lens product, because my previous experience with L'Oreal's other variant was not good. I literally had a lot of hair fall. So I went ahead on Nykaa and YouTube. I checked the reviews of these products. Quite honestly, I got a very mixed review, and that is where I wanted to have my hands onto this product. And quite honestly, the first time I used this product, I had sworn to myself of not touching this product the second time, because of the hair fall I had. Oh my god, I was literally into tears. And then thinking of the money I had invested onto these products, it really triggered me to try out these products another time. And that's where I found a change. To my utter disbelief, from the second wash, I started to observe a difference. I won't deny that my hair did not fall. It did, but the amount of hair fall was very minimal. In the sense, that much amount of hair fall is very likely after a hair wash. And it also does what it claims. So it will add some extra shine to your hair, it will look much more manageable, and it will look much more healthy. And I cannot be commenting on the split-in part because my hair do not have any split-in problem, so let me skip that. Apart from that, it does what it claims. And another thing is that it has a very mild fruity fragrance which stays onto your hair 2-3 days, which is really nice. And I am a person who is fond of this fruity mild fragrance in hair, so that is a great thing. And quite honestly, I'm very happy with these products, like the shampoo and the conditioner. These are really amazing, but I am not happy with the no haircut cream. That is a product which is very average. There's a hype in the market about this product, but to me personally, it was very average. I find the L'Oreal's newly launched serum much better than this cream. So I thought of not using the cream the next time, but going ahead with this shampoo and conditioner. So this shampoo and conditioner will stick to me. I will use these products till I find another better product than this. So yes, definitely I will recommend and I will give a thumbs up for the conditioner and the shampoo, but not a thumbs up for the no haircut cream. So guys, if you're very keen on trying out this cream, you can definitely go ahead and do that. Start trying from the smaller bottles that they have. Do not do the same mistake that I did. I went ahead and got the biggest bottle because I was getting it in a discounted price from Nykaa, and I thought, why not? If it works for your hair, it's good. Otherwise, do skip it, because do try out some other serum or other cream. And I will also add a clipping onto the screen where there will be a picture of before and after using the product, so that you guys can make out the difference yourself. So yes, that is it. I do not have anything further to say. I really hope that this review video was helpful for you guys, and if you really find it helpful, do give it a like and do comment and let me know if this product worked out for you or it didn't. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for other reviews and vlogs. So on that note, I will take a leave and will definitely meet you soon in my next videos. Till then, tata, take care, stay happy, and most importantly, spread happiness. Bye bye.